Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm making a pair of rainbow spiral shorts. For this pair of shorts, I'm going to start the spiral on the side. So I'm just going to fold my shorts where the side is facing up, use a fork to start my spiral, and then use rubber bands to hold it all in place. I'm only going to use 3 colors for this pair of shorts. I'm going to use lemon yellow, fuchsia, and turquoise. These are all Dharma colors. And I'm just going to apply them in pie or wedge shapes on the shorts. After I'm finished with the front side, I'm going to go ahead and turn them over and do the same pattern on the back. Well, here are my shorts. All I can say is it was a little bit unfortunate where the dye ended up being placed, but I do think the spiral on the side looks cool. Listen, if you guys are enjoying watching my videos, I sure would appreciate it if you'd subscribe to my YouTube channel. All you have to do is hit the big red subscribe button. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day.